Hey guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. Today's video I'll be making orange chicken, so please stick around and watch this video. I'm gonna add about 1 teaspoon of ground pepper or black pepper. I'm gonna add 1 teaspoon of salt. So I'm adding 1 tablespoon of all-purpose seasoning. You can just use salt and pepper. I'm gonna mix this in, and I'm gonna add ½ cup of flour, and this is all-purpose flour, and 1/3 cup of cornstarch. And you just want to mix this in. And if you don't got chicken thigh, you can use chicken breast, but this gives a better result when you use the chicken thigh. So nicely coated. Now I'm gonna add the chicken thigh to my skillet to fry. And you want the oil to be 350 degrees. You don't want to add too much because you don't want to overcrowd the pot, to lower the temperature. I want to fry these for at least 7 minutes. Look at these. Until they're nice and crisp up like this. Because you want a nice crispy coating. They're smelling good already. I'm gonna add 1/4 cup of soy sauce. And I have 2 tablespoons of ginger, chopped ginger. This is smelling good already. Aromatic flavors. I'm gonna add 1/4 cup of honey. You could use sugar if you don't have honey. Substitute. I'm gonna use 1/4 cup of vinegar. The smell in here is absolutely amazing. And you just want to let this come down to a simmer for about 3 minutes. Now I'm gonna add 1/3 cup of orange juice along with the orange zest. So I'm adding my orange zest, and I'm adding about 1 tablespoon. If you don't get orange zest, you can use lemon zest, lime zest, whichever zest you got. Citrus. Three tablespoons of cornstarch, and I'm gonna add 3 tablespoons of water to the cornstarch and make a slurry. Now I'm gonna add the chickens to it, and you just want to coat the chicken with the sauce. This is what's gonna add the amazing flavor to the chicken. Oh my God, look at this. Look at that, man. Look at these. Oh my goodness, they're smelling good, and I know they're gonna taste even better. Guys, if you reach this far into the video, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you like this video. Also leave me a comment down below